In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do URL redirects in Wix. If you've ever changed a page's address, reorganized your site, or retired content, a redirect makes sure anyone who visits the old link is sent straight to the new one. It also helps preserve your search rankings and avoids frustrating page not found errors. Wix makes this simple using its built-in URL redirect manager, which creates permanent redirects by default. Start by opening your Wix dashboard for the site you want to update. From there, use the search bar at the top of the dashboard. Type URL, and you'll see an option called URL Redirect Manager appear in the results. Click that to open the tool. This is where all your existing redirects are listed and where you'll create new ones. Inside URL Redirect Manager, look for the button to create a new redirect and click it. You'll see two fields, one for the old URL and one for the new URL. In the old URL field, paste the exact link you want to redirect from. Accuracy matters here. Make sure the URL is copied precisely as users or search engines might visit it, including HTTPS, capitalization, hyphens, and any trailing slash. Avoid redirecting from your homepage and be careful not to create a loop where the old URL points to a page that eventually points back to the old URL. Next, paste your destination into the new URL field. This should be the live page you want people to land on going forward. Choose the most relevant page so visitors get what they expected to find. For example, a discontinued product should point to its replacement or a closely related category, not just the homepage. It's a good idea to use the final canonical URL and avoid pointing to a URL that itself redirects again. When both fields look correct, click Save. Your redirect is now in place. It often works immediately, though it can take a short moment to propagate. If you don't see it right away, try opening the old link in a private or incognito window or clear your cache to ensure you're not seeing a cached result. From the URL Redirect Manager, you can return any time to review or edit your redirects, or remove one if it's no longer needed. As a best practice, keep your list tidy, avoid long chains of multiple redirects, and use specific one-to-one mappings whenever possible. And that's all there is to it. You've set up a clean, reliable URL redirect in Wix that protects both your visitor's experience and your site's SEO.